हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है सचिन राठौड़ एंड वेलकम टू एक्शन एकेडमी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में भी हम करने वाले हैं रीडिंग और लिसनिंग की प्रैक्टिस। सो विदाउट डिले चलिए इस वीडियो को फटाफट स्टार्ट करते हैं। लाइफ इज नॉट ऑलवेज इजी। देयर विल बी डेज व्हेन यू फील टायर्ड, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड रेडी टू गिव अप। बट रिमेंबर, every great person in history faced struggles before they achieved success. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed 1000 times before inventing the light bulb. What if he had given up after 999 attempts? The world would have been a darker place. Success is not about never failing. It is about never giving up. Difficulties are not there to stop you. They are there to make you stronger. Every time you fail, you learn something new. Every time you fall, you get a chance to rise again. The only way to fail is to quit. As long as you keep going, you are still in the game. Imagine you are climbing a mountain. The journey is tough and sometimes you feel like stopping, but the view from the top is beautiful and only those who keep climbing will see it. So no matter how hard things get, keep moving forward. Success is waiting for those who refuse to give up. Believe in yourself, take small steps every day, and one day you will achieve your dreams. Remember, winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit.